Welcome to Florida Man Investing. I'm Phil. Checking out the markets right now. We're pretty green across the board. We do have the S&P 500 up about a 1.5%, looking pretty good there. Gonna switch over and check out Bitcoin and some crypto. All right, so Bitcoin at the time of this recording, we're trading around 20,700, and we've been talking about this channel we've been trading in. We bounced off the bottom just the other day. We're starting to come up, and this is the descending level of resistance that we've been talking about. And the last time we trade sideways and butt up against it, we made another leg down. That might be a possibility. Um, we've been picking this. Bitcoin up at this price range. Not financial advice, just DCA is what we've been doing. We're happy with this price. If it does go down, some people are calling as far as 13,000, which we if you go back and look, that's not an unheard of price for it to go down to. It's just there's some things that we're looking at that might point to we won't go that low. But definitely watch this the price right here with this descending level of resistance, because if it does break that, I think we'll have a little bit of a run up. All right, so let's look over. Um, we did have Polygon. Um, we had this another little cup and handle formation, and this shot up. We had some news come out with Polygon working with Disney. We'll show you that real quick. All right, so here's a story that Polygon was among 6 of the Web3 projects selected for Disney Accelerator Program. This is pretty big for them. This is a project that we do hold. We do like Polygon. This is definitely some bullish news, and it kind of worked out perfect, right? Kind of came out right with that cup and handle formation, so that was pretty cool. So we had a little bit of a run up there. So definitely keep an eye on Polygon. So it's been everywhere. I'm sure you already heard the inflation rose to 9.1% in for June. Um, and this was higher than expected, but we're starting to see that this might be the top and we might be working down. And one thing that kind of points to that is the gas prices are actually starting to come back down. And everything is transported. So once gas prices come down and energy costs come down, we will see a lot of the markets come back down on that, a lot of the prices. So we do think the next inflation rate won't be as high, and we'll start to see that be at the peak, is what we're thinking. All right, so while everything was selling off for Bitcoin, and this is another thing that maybe we're close to a bottom, is we do have the richest Bitcoin whales starting to pick up some more since June 30th. So they've been adding pretty heavily to their wallet. So here's some proof there, and that's kind of what we're saying is like DCA right now might be a good method. So if it does drop down a little bit low, you still got some money to get some more. So just kind of watch that descending level of resistance to see if it's going to go down a little bit lower. But I think we might see a run up here pretty quick. All right, so let's switch over and check out some NFT stuff. All right, this was a project that we were in. It ran up pretty good back when, NFTs were just blowing up, but we're starting to see a comeback here with this project. They were bought out by a different project. They got a new team going, so maybe that scares some people away, but we're starting to see the price come back in. Definitely, Twitter's been blowing up. A lot of people has been buying back into this. It's a great project, super welcoming community. We do have a floor price around 49, and still some pretty good selections that you can get around that price. So definitely check them back out. They're definitely starting to make some moves. We have the activity. We're starting to work back up in the price, and 44 minutes ago, 5 hours. So they're starting to, the buys are starting to pick back up in this project. All right, so another project that we talk about here on the channel is Unbounded Earth, and they're starting to pick up. the land's starting to sell again, and that's pretty good. But they do have the Alpha Pass still available, and this lets you get into the Alpha release, which should be, I think if we check the roadmap, it looks like they're forecasting the Alpha release is going to be in Q4, so not too much longer, and we start getting in and testing that out. If you can get this Alpha Pass, I believe it's going for 150, I believe. Let's bring it up, make sure here. So yeah, 150 ADA, so that's $65 to get that Alpha Pass. It's pretty cool art on the Alpha Pass too, so go check that out. All right, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. We'll catch you next time.